I want to get into this camera. We call this the Gary's making a point camera point of view when I'm really stressed to the audience what's going on. And I want to stress that in these days of not being able to have trade shows, you've got to understand that your audience on a live show isn't the same thing as someone walking by your booth in a trade show. You've got to be more engaging, more captivating. You've got to keep them and hold them on. So how do you hold them on? Here it comes, our do's and don'ts for trade shows. Do add interactivity and Q&A. So interactivity is what I talk about like with another guest. If you can't get another guest, take questions from people. Have them come up on the Facebook feed, see what they're asking you. YouTube feed, whatever your feeds are, to get comments from. And the other thing that I want to stress is you do want to make sure that you remember that your live feed has a delay in it. It could be anywhere from a few seconds to an agonizing like 10 or 15 seconds, depending on how Facebook and YouTube are going that day, unfortunately. But anytime you have to do that, make sure that you do wait and give your viewers a chance to catch up to the program. So here's a little clip of how we use the Wowza Clearcaster to bring the Facebook questions and comments right into our show live.
Is that when Gary is speaking, he can actually see comments and stuff like that on the feed itself, because we have it on a screen over here. So if somebody has a question, or if somebody has some advice for us, or if somebody is just looking to say hi, because we always love those, it'll pop up and Gary will see it, and Gary can actually interact with his audience.